could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love.
We knew each other from middle school, so I think I was about to enter high school, so it was like 15, 16. And then we went and watched a movie at the mall, and after the movie, he basically stopped talking to me, so I guess our first date didn't go too well.
But we reconnected in college. I was a senior and she was a junior. Just talking a little bit more, we kind of figured out that we had the same interests, and basically from there, the rest is history.
Our styles have changed drastically. We both started off like uber preppy. I was really into Lily Pulitzer. Justin wore everything from J. Crew. Like your whole wardrobe was from J. Crew.
Yeah. I wore a lot of ties, a couple like bow ties here and there, but sometimes I wear like a dress shirt to even to class. But
Now we're both the opposite, and we're really into streetwear, urban.
I guess more casual.
Yeah, we love sneakers.
After being together for maybe 4.5 years or so, I kind of realized that everything that I did, I just always had Justine in mind, and I think from those small moments, I think just added up to me kind of understanding and kind of getting to the fact that I wanted to just spend the rest of my life with her. It was the best decision that I've made so far.
I'm really looking forward to being physically together again. We're both long distance right now, and it can be complex at times, but it's something that we work through, and I think it makes us better as a couple.
What I'm looking forward to is, I guess, sharing that, bond once we're married, and kind of just, again, everything that we do is just kind of like for each other, and with each other. I think, once we, reach, where we wanted to be in life, just, share those moments together. I hope you can join us on July 1st.
We look forward to spending our big day with you.
I just want